Hello everyone, I am Paramanand Dasar, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Haryana. Today I am going to discuss with a very important topic in financial markets and institutions, that is NSE and OTCAI, means National Stock Exchange and Over-the-Counter Exchange of India. So today we will cover origin and growth of NSE and OTCAI. Let us begin with National Stock Exchange. If we see the history and origin of the National Stock Exchange, the National Stock Exchange of India Limited is the country's leading financial exchange with headquarters in Mumbai. It was incorporated in the year 1992 and since then has evolved into an advanced automated electronic system of offering trading facilities to investors across the country. In 2015, this exchange system ranked in the fourth place in the world according to the metrics of its trading volume. This stock exchange began its operations in the year of 1994 at the behest of the Indian government to bring the level of transparency to the country's capital market. Set up by an assembly of leading financial institutions and at the recommendations formulated by the Irvani Committee, this stock exchange comprised of diverse shareholding assets from both global and domestic investors. It was also the first stock exchange in the country to introduce electronic trading facilities, thus facilitating the integration of investors throughout the country into a single base. As of 2018, NSE had total market capitalization exceeding the US dollar 2.25 trillion, putting it in 11th place in the list of the largest stock exchanges in the world. However, unlike the USA, where trading from corporate sector accounts for about 70% of the country's GDP, this sector in India accounts for only 12 to 14% of its total GDP. Out of this entire corporate sector, around 7,800 companies are listed, with about 4,000 among those trading at Indian stock exchanges. Thus, stock exchange trading accounts for merge 4% of the country's total GDP. Then, if we see the working of the National Stock Exchange, trading through this stock exchange in India is carried out through an electronic limit order to book, where order to matching takes place through a trading computer. This entire process does not have the interference of specialists or market makers and is driven entirely by orders, meaning that when investors place a market order, it is automatically matched with the a limit order. Thus, in this market, sellers and buyers have the advantage of remaining anonymous. Additionally, in order to drive in, market also offers more transparency to the investors by displaying every buy and sell order in the trading system. These orders in NSE are placed via brokers who often provide a facility of online trading to customers. Few institutional investors can also avail this facility, direct market access, where they can place their orders directly into the trading system. NSE market trading on equity segment is carried on throughout the week except on Saturdays and Sundays and other holidays declared by the stock exchange. The market timing is as follows: pre-opening session, order entry opens at 9 hours, order entry closes at 9:08. Regulation session, market opens at 9:15, market closes at 15:30, means 3:30. Benefits, especially of listing with National Stock Exchange in India, FBC. NSE offers several benefits of listing with it. Some of them are as follows. It provides comprehensive visibility. It provides or it makes for a premier marketplace. It is the biggest exchange in the country. It, it fast the transactions, the trade statistics, whatever trade statistics if you want, that will provide. So this is about National Stock Exchange. Then we will move to over the counter exchange of India, that we can say that OTCEI. If we see the origin and growth of OTCEI, the Indian capital market has witnessed sweeping changes over the last few years. There were new instruments and new institutions. The existing stock exchanges were insufficient and infrastructure facilities to cope up with the new situation. In order to overcome the pitfalls and loopholes of the existing system, a new institution called Over the Counter Exchange of India OTCEI came into existence in the year of 1990 and started its functioning from 1992. The Pehrwani Committee has identified the shortcomings of existing stock exchanges as follows and recommended the establishment of OTCEI, which has tried to address the following issues. The first one is poor liquidity of scrips on the Indian bourses, delay in settlement, lack of transparency. Because of these all issues, OTCEI has established. OTCEI concept is a great innovation in the Indian stock market. It is a recognized stock exchange under the Securities Contract Act 1965 as well as the Indian Companies Act 1956. OTCEI is a computer-based screen system exhibiting the quotations of the scripts of companies of different industries of the nation. It has a national network and there is no geographical barrier for listing. Dealers and investors can take decisions on the spot more quickly than on the regular stock exchanges. It is a great boom to the small and marginal investors who are greatly neglected till today. OTCEI was incorporated in October 1990. This company was promoted by consortium of premier financial institutions, namely Unit Trust of India, UTI, ICICI, IDBI, SBI, Capital Markets Limited, IFCI, KYC, and its subsidiaries, and CanBank Financial Services Limited. OTC exchange is recognized by the Government of India as a recognized stock exchange under the Section 4 of the Securities Contract Regulation Act 1965. Companies listed on the OTCEI will enjoy the same listing status as available to the other companies listed on any other stock exchanges in the country, except that companies listed on OTCEI cannot be listed or traded on any other stock exchanges in India. The corporate office is situated in Mumbai. It started functioning in 1992. OTCEI has been linked to 42 centers all over India through computers. OTCEI operates with the use of INET, the country's first public switched data network, and Telex, the first nationwide information dissemination network, and RABMN, Remote Area Business Message Network. Any counter in India, any counter in any of the 400 cities in India can receive the script prices, which are generated by OTCEI central computer in Bombay. Any person or any Indian citizen can apply for dealership or membership of the OTC provided adheres to the prescribed conditions. So this is all about OTCEI and NSE. These are my references: Dr. G.B. Balegar, Indian Financial Systems; Ashok Prakashan Hubli; Bharti V. Patak, The Indian Financial Systems, Markets and Institutions and Services; Pearson Education, New Delhi; Moy Khan, Indian Financial Systems, TMH, New Delhi; Bhole and Jitendra Mahakur, Financial Institutions and Markets, TMH, New Delhi; T. Siddhaya, Financial Services, PHI, New Delhi. So this is about my references, and this is all about National Stock Exchange and Over-the-Counter Exchange of India, OTCM. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone.